Pronoun.
Pronoun.
A pronoun
A pronoun
is
is
a word used
used
instead of a noun.
instead of a noun.
Personal pronoun.
Personal pronoun.
The pronouns
The pronouns
I,
I,
mine,
mine,
me,
me,
we,
we,
ours,
ours,
and us,
and us,
which stand for
which stand for
the person
the person
or
or
person speaking
person speaking
are said to be
said to be
the personal pronouns
the personal pronouns
of the first person.
of the first person.
The pronouns
The pronouns
you
you
and yours,
and yours,
which stand
which stand
for the person
for the person
or person spoken
or person spoken
to
to
are said to be
are said to be
the personal pronouns
the personal pronouns
of the second person.
of the second person.
The pronouns
The pronouns
he, his, him, she, hers, they, theirs, them, and it,
and it,
which
which
stand
stands
for the person
for the person
or thing
or thing
spoken of
spoken of
are said to be
are said to be
the personal pronouns
the personal pronouns
of
of
the third person.
the third person.
Possessive pronouns,
Possessive pronouns,
the possessives,
the possessive,
mine,
mine,
ours,
ours,
yours,
yours,
his, hers,
ours,
and theirs
and theirs
are called
called
possessive pronouns
possessive pronouns
or pronouns
pronouns
in
in
the possessive case.
the possessive case.
Let us
Let us
understand
understand
relative pronouns.
relative nouns.
Read
Read
and speak.
and speak.
This is the boy.
This is the boy.
The boy
The boy
stole my pen.
stole my pen.
This is the boy
This is the boy
who stole my pen.
who stole my pen.
This is the horse.
This is the horse.
The horse
The horse
won the race.
won the race.
This is the horse
This is the horse
which
which
won the race.
won the race.
This is the house.
This is the house.
Jack built the house.
Jack built the house.
This is the house
This is the house
that
that
Jack built.
Jack built.
In these sentences,
These sentences
examine
examine
the work
the work
done by
done by
who,
who,
which,
which,
that,
that,
who stands for
stands for
the noun
the noun
by,
boy,
which stands
which stands
for the noun horse,
for the noun horse,
and that
that
stands
stands
for noun
for the noun
house.
house.
They are, however, called relative pronouns
Relative pronouns
because
because
they are because they relate or refer to a noun which has come
which has come
before.
before
The noun to which
which
a relative pronoun refers or relate is called its
its
antecedent.
antecedent.
It is noticed that
Notice that
in the given sentences,
in the given sentences,
the antecedent
the antecedent
of
of
who
to
is boy,
is
the antecedent of
the antecedent of
which
which
is horse,
is was,
and the antecedent of
and the antecedent of
that is
that is
house.
house.
Use of
Use of
the relative pronouns
the relative pronouns
who,
who,
whose,
whose,
and whom
and whom
are
are
used
used
only
only
for
for
persons
persons
or for animals
animals
intimate with persons.
with persons.
They may
They may
refer to
refer to
a singular
a singular
or
or
a plural noun.
a plural noun.
The man
The man
who does not love his country
who does not love his country
is a sinner.
is a sinner.
This is the man
This is the man
whose son
whose son
won the first prize.
won the first prize.
This is the dog
This is the dog
whom I love,
whom I love,
which
which
is
is
used for
used for
animals
animals
and things
and things
without life.
without life.
It may
It may
refer to
refer to
a singular
a singular
or
or
a plural noun.
a plural noun.
Here are
There are
the books
the books
which I bought
which I bought
yesterday.
yesterday.
The dog
The dog
which
which
bite him
by him
has been shot.
has been shot.
That
That
may
may
refer to
refer to
persons,
persons,
animals,
animals,
or things
or things
as the man that is dishonest is hated by all.
hated by all.
I have lost
I have lost
the pen
the pen
that you gave me.
that you gave me.
He is the most
Is the most
intelligent boy
intelligent boy
that
that
I
I
ever saw.
ever saw.
This is the dog
This is the dog
that killed the cat. What?
what
Always
always
refers to things,
refers to things.
never to persons.
Every person
I will tell you
I will tell you
what happened.
what happened.
This is what
This is what
troubles me.
troubles me.
He gave me
He gave me
just
just
what I deserved.
what I deserve.
What
What
cannot be
cannot be
cured
cured
must be
must be
endured
endured.
as
As
is
is
used as
used as
a relative pronoun
a relative pronoun.
after
After
the same
the same
and such
and such
as these
these
apples are
apples are
not
not
such as
such as
I bought
I bought
yesterday.
yesterday.
This is not
This is not
the same book
the same book
as mine.
as mine.
Let us understand interrogative
Interrogative
pronouns.
pronouns.
The words
The words
who, what,
what,
which,
which,
whom
whom
are called
are
Interrogative pronouns.
Interrogative pronoun.
Because
Because
they are
they are
used for
used for
asking questions.
asking questions.
Who,
Who,
whose, whom are used for persons only. As who did this?
who did this?
Who stands there?
Who stand there?
Whose is this pen?
Who is this man?
Whose is this pen?
Who is this man?
Who
Who
knocks
knocks
at the door?
at the door?
Who is your friend?
Who is your friend?
Whom have I offended?
Who have offended?
Which
Which
is
is
used
used
for animals
for animals
and
and
intimate things.
intimate
That is,
that is
things
things
without life.
without life.
As
As
which of these pens is yours? Which is your brother? Which of your cows is ill? Which will you take? Which are your dolls? Which of your houses has been sold? Which of your houses? Which of your houses? Which of your houses has been sold? What is used for things only? As what do you want? What did she say? What has she found? What is better than health? Let us understand reflexive pronouns. I hurt myself. You hurt yourself. He hurt himself. They hurt themselves. We hurt ourselves. You hurt yourselves. She hurt herself. The dog hurt itself. In all these cases, the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself. They are therefore called reflexive pronouns. It is noticed that reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self to mine, your, him, her, and it, and selves to our, your, and them. Emphasizing or emphatic pronouns. I myself so